If you have a group of friends, guys or girls, this is where it really works. If you have a mate who lives on like just in a place that often you would drive past, just make them the honk mate.
Yes.
Where every time you drive past their house, beep, beep, regardless of the time, doesn't matter who's there or what. I read about one story where that became a joke in a friendship group, and then the meme just spread to the rest of the small town, where whenever anyone who lived in the suburb would drive past this one house, they would just go beep, beep, and it got so bad that the people living there just moved. And I think that's a great one if you can inspire your entire community to pick one house in the suburb and make it the honk house. Beep, beep, forever.